Sorting Materials, Class 6th, Chapter 4, Solubility. The ability of a substance to dissolve in a liquid. This is called its solubility. Means if the substance dissolve in a liquid means get disappear, then it is soluble. Based on the solubility, substances can be classified as soluble, insoluble, miscible, or immiscible. Soluble, insoluble, miscible, or immiscible. Now, the substances that dissolve in a given liquid are called soluble in that liquid. For example, children, you have seen salt and sugar dissolve in water. So, they are said to be soluble in water. If someone asks you, give example of soluble substances, then you can give example of salt and sugar. Now, the substances that don't dissolve in a given liquid, they are called insoluble. Insoluble in that liquid. For example, sand and chalk. If you dissolve them in water, then they don't get dissolved. They remain, we are able to see them. They don't get disappear. So they are called insoluble. Now the liquids that dissolve in a given liquid, they are called miscible. Miscible term, this is used for the two liquids. If the two liquids they dissolve in each other, then they are called miscible. For example, alcohol, lemon juice, glycerine and honey. All these are miscible with water. All these get mixed with water. Now the liquids that don't dissolve in the given liquid, they are called immiscible liquid. Immiscible liquids, they form two separate layers. They can be easily identified because they are forming two separate layers. For example, petrol, diesel, kerosene and vegetable oil. All these liquids are immiscible with water. If we mix these liquids with water, then they form distinct layers. Children, in the figure 4.7, we can see soluble and insoluble substances. Sugar, when it is mixed with water, we get sugar solution. In the sugar solution, sugar particles get dissolved and we are not able to see here. Second, when we dissolve sand in water, then the sand this settle at the bottom and can be easily seen. So the sugar is soluble in water and sand is insoluble in water. In figure 4.8, oil immiscible liquid. When water and oil these are mixed together, then oil will form the top layer and water will form the bottom layer and they can be easily seen. So oil and water, they are the example of immiscible liquid. Real word, oxygen gas dissolve in water and this is essential for the survival of aquatic organism. Children, this fact I think you know, aquatic organism get oxygen from the water as it has dissolved oxygen. Now let us try. Our aim is to check the solubility of substances in water. Children, this is very simple activity you can try at home. For this activity, materials required: 4 beakers or 4 any container, glass rod, filter paper, conical flask, tripod stand or any stand, sugar, sand, milk, oil, water and marker. Now the method or procedure is: take 4 beakers and fill about 20 ml water in each. Now add 1 spoon of each material to each beaker and stir it with a glass rod. In the first beaker we add sugar, in second we add sand, in third beaker milk and in the fourth beaker oil. Now allow it to stand for some time and see if it dissolves in water or not, and then record our observation. Now observation table. Sugar, we see it get dissolved in water or it is soluble in water. Sand, it don't get dissolved, so it is insoluble in water. Milk, it get mixed with water, so it is soluble in water. Oil, it forms separate layer, so it is insoluble or immiscible with water. So our observation table, so they say sugar and milk are soluble, sand and oil are insoluble.